Welcome to Vail. There's no free parking anywhere, so I had to park about half a kilometer away and walk to the lift, and then this lift is at the far edge of the mountain. The mountain is huge, it goes way over there, so I gotta take a couple lifts to get up to the top, and then I can start working my way down. But it was freezing. It's minus 20. Well, probably minus 15 now. I gotta get this helmet back on my head. Risky high-speed turns when you don't know the mountain. Ungroomed. Lame. Okay, what a day. It's almost 2. I started at 8:30. I haven't been on the mountain this long in I don't know how long, forever. So much good terrain, so many good carving runs. So I checked out lots of Vail. It was pretty awesome. Unfortunately, to end it, I have to download to get to where I parked. No runs that take you down to the bottom of this lift. So it got me up. I went all the way to the far side to where the racing area was and then worked my way back. So that's it for today, guys. I gotta get something to eat. I haven't had anything to eat since breakfast. All I've had is 1 glass of water, and get myself organized to move on down the road, Beaver Creek, and try out the lifts. But otherwise, hope you enjoyed Vail. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.